20% off of UFC megas. Like, how am I going to pass that up? You're telling me I bought 3 mega boxes here for $154 after tax, 3 autographs, 18 packs, I believe. A hobby box is $270 right now. Target Circle Week. I'm telling you, it was gas. This might come out after that, but if it's not, that is the time to go buy some UFC. Okay, this is it right here. So, like I said, 3 mega boxes we're opening today. We got some sleeves off to the side. Throw the Target bag out of the way. So let's get this. So we got our packs in the bottom down here. Not very secure, but you know, we'll take it. And we'll get into some ripping. So let's put the packs over here and get into this. Like I said, I was not expecting to buy any, but I mean, when you find them at this price, how are you going to pass it up for 48 bucks? So let's get into it. Cody Garbrandt, Lucindo. We got Corey Sandhagen, Sandman. Rafael Fiziev, my boy. We got Verna Honjadoba. And a fired up Luana Pinheiro. That's pretty dope, actually. Love the fired up. We got Jessica Andrade fighting, next weekend. And Vicente Luque. Next pack. And we'll get into it. We got Charles on the front. He's fighting next week. Holy cow, this is a whole fight card. Brandon Royval. Aljo, my boy, he's fighting next week. Cheryl rookie. We're going to put that off to the side to sleeve that. Ottoman. We got, ooh, brick by brick, Macy Barber. That's dope. I've never seen that before, so we're going to sleeve that up too. Tito on the X Factor. And a silver, Aaron Blanchfeld, which is always cool. That brick by brick could be a $1 card. I don't care, dude. It looks so sweet. All right here, we got an Alex Perez, Derek Lewis, Mackenzie Dern, a green, Jailton Almeida out of 99. That's actually sweet. We're going to sleeve that up. A&G Whitaker, Diego Lopez on the X Factor, and Peter Yan. So that's 2 to sleeve up right there. First mega box is looking nice. I'm not even going to complain. I mean, anything Diego Lopez, he's fighting next weekend, so let's see how that fight goes. You'll see it probably here if it's not out already. We got an we got an auto. Miranda, Jones, Magny, Rob Font. Octagon Legends, Tony Ferguson auto. That's sweet. Hall of Fame, Chuck Liddell. Luana Carolina, and Ryan Spann. But Tony Ferguson on the auto for the box. That's not a bad auto. I'm not going to sit there and complain about Tony Ferguson. Should he have retired years ago? Yes. Will he? No. Is it okay? Yes. We still love him. Even if his name doesn't have the hype that it used to. No matter what, people are going to love Tony Ferguson. Next pack right here. Got Israel Adesanya, Holly Holm, Dustin Poirier, Sergey, Umar, and another brick by brick Bo Nickel. That's actually really sweet. Dracus Duplessis and Ryan Spann again. You like how I said that? We're going to soft sleeve this Bo Nickel. That card's dope. 2 brick by bricks. What a sweet box already. And the Tony Ferguson auto. I like mega boxes. I like the way they look. I like the way they feel. I am enjoying this. Josh Emmett, a great collector in the universe. We're going to kind of start going through quickly. Alexa Grasso, not numbered. Leon Edwards, fired up. Davison Figueredo, who's going to be fighting next weekend. And Joshua Coulibayo. Pretty sweet. And let's get to the next mega. As you can see, we went ahead and just opened both the megas, so we can just go into it. This is going to be mega box number 2 right here. Let's see how this goes. We got Brandon Moreno on the front. Amanda Nunes, Pajeda. That's going to be one for the buyback. Luque, Tito Ortiz, fired up Rose, Cyril Gahn, and Magomed Ankalaev. I don't know why I said Muhammad. Getting in this next pack right here. We're going quick today. Cejudo, Triple C, Rosenstrike, block of... Yep, Peter Yan, Ryan Spann again, Shevchenko, which is actually really cool, Caitlin Sermonera, and Carla Esparza. Pretty dope. Not the same as Caitlin, the other Caitlin who's fighting on UFC 300, Harrison. We got our auto... No, brick by brick. Jake Hadley, Jamie Pickett, Joshua, Marcin Tybura. We got Carlston Harrison. Oh, we got a Path Blazers. Carlston Harris. Jeez, I cannot speak today. Out of 299. Got a Path Blazers Uriah Faber. That's actually super sweet. Bill Algeo and Michelle Pajeda. Actually really cool. Still got an auto left in this mega box. Let me know all your picks for UFC 300. Did you make any parlays, picks, or anything? And let me know what you hit on and what you didn't. Future Stars auto right here. We got Brick by Brick, Movsar Evelev, Amanda Lemos, and Hoist Gracie. Now let's get into the auto. Johnny Walker! Yo, I actually really like that. I might be one of the only Johnny Walker fans. We watched him fight live at one of the UFC fight nights in Charlotte, North Carolina. Speaking of North Carolina, card show May 25th at Greensboro, North Carolina. We'll have 160 vendors and we'll be set up selling cards. So if you want to buy some UFC cards or Pokemon, sports, basketball, football, whatever you want, we'll have it. Let's leave this bad boy up real quick. I will say I am a Johnny Walker fan. I'm one of the few who like him, even though he's a little weird. You know, still an interesting guy, and I do like him. I think he's a good fighter as well, and he can put on a good performance, and he's entertaining. If you're entertaining, I think that's one of the biggest things. Dariush, Anshul Jubilee, Alexander Volkov, Raquel Pennington, Rocky, Sadiq Youssef, fired up Patty Pimblett, Alexander Volkanovski, and Tito Ortiz on the refractor. Nice. Going straight into the second mega box now. No hesitation. We're not waiting today. Jalen Turner, Brad Katona, Alan Nascimento, Chris Sung-woo. We got, Path Blazers Conor McGregor. That's actually a sweet insert. The inserts actually look really cool. Bilal Muhammad and Volkan Oezdemir. I think Topps Chrome, if this was Optic, I mean, you got admit this right now and be honest. If this was Optic, you would be like, oh man, this sucked. But now that it's Topps Chrome, this feels okay. Even though I didn't get the biggest hits, I haven't gotten the best cards. I mean, I'm still happy with what I got. Another possible buyback. Let's not lie. It's not like it's going to be the one. Mateus Nikolai and a silver Whitaker. Okay. That's actually really cool on the Allen and Ginter. We'll sleeve that up after this one. Khabib, the Eagle, and Ludovic Klein on the refractor. Put those off to the side and get into the next one. That Whitaker is sweet. I love the Allen and Ginter, non-UFC and all that too. Jocelyn Edwards, Jared, Dominic Reyes, Caitlin Vieira, Justin Gaethje, Brick by Brick, Muhammad Makayev. That's actually really cool. This is a set that I might actually want to collect. I mean, that's super sweet. Chuck Liddell and Manel Cape, which is going to be a good rookie, even though he dropped out of his next fight already. Kind of sad to see that, but, it's expected. I mean, this guy, ugh. That's all I got to say. We'll cut the video there because that's all I got to say about him. I'm just going to put that one in one of those. In Ultra Pro. I have a whole box of top loaders coming in and they're not in yet. Irene Aldana, Adrian Yanez, Paulo Costa, Secret Juice, Parker Porter, a gold auto out of 50. This is already better than my hobby boxes. Fired up Leon Edwards, Dan Hooker, and Rose Namajunas. This could be insane. This could actually be a banger auto. We're going to save that one for a minute. Let's wait a second. We got Azamat Murzakanov. Yep, tried that one. Carla Esparza, Ludovic Klein, Vanessa Demopoulos, Sean Strickland, Volkanovski on the Allen and Ginter, GSP, my boy. You don't know I'm a huge GSP collector. Some of your GSP. Peter Yan Refractor. And one more pack before we reveal this gold auto right now. Well, not right now, but, in just a second. We got a Path Blazers in this pack. We got Aaron Blanchfeld, Jacob Malkoun, Bruno Fajeda, Roman Delatze. We got a Sean Brady on the Hyper, Hoist Gracie on the Path Blazers, Jack Jenkins, and Tai Tuivasa. Bam, bam, baby. Let's end with a little bam, bam here. Who is that? BJ Penn. Anthony Smith. Okay, that one kind of bummed me out. I thought that was a bald BJ Penn. I thought that was going to be... It's crazy we just pulled Johnny Walker. I mean, that's crazy at least. That's the fight I literally just talked about seeing in person. This one, I'm not mad about it. All right, Lionheart, he's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that's his nickname. He's a cool guy. Is this... They have him at heavyweight. Interesting. But light heavyweight right here. But heavyweight on the back. Which one is it, Topps? Which one is it? Is he heavyweight or light heavyweight? If this was a break, it'd be done for. I'll take a gold auto out of a mega box. And we got all the other hits. Let me know. Comment down below what you thought of this. Follow us on Instagram at PowProductionsNC. Find all our card shows at powcardshows.com. And make sure to subscribe and follow us. This is one of our just random regular videos where we just rip some cards. Sometimes we'll show you what it's like to set up a card show. We love to share everything with you guys. We're going to be doing a new series pretty soon. So make sure you stay up to date with anything POW. Say wow, and we'll see you in the next one, I guess.